Streamline employee training by consolidating your technology tools into one user-friendly platform. With EasyLlama's learning management system, you can choose from our award-winning course catalog and upload your own company-specific training. Optimize your organizational training processes by uploading SCORM files and other types to keep all employee training hosted on one easy-to-use solution. Effortlessly assign courses to new hires, organize teams by role or location, and schedule automatic reminders to ensure your workforce stays on track with ease. Integrate EasyLlama seamlessly with your HRIS, ensuring up-to-date employee data for onboarding, promotions, and relocations. Set a training schedule for courses and learning journeys to align perfectly with your unique requirements and notify learners at the right time. Easily manage certifications which are automatically issued and securely stored for compliance tracking and record keeping. Improve employee engagement by providing learning flexibility with our mobile and tablet-friendly platform. Access data and gain insights into KPIs with an actionable insights analytics dashboard. Centralize your training processes with EasyLlama's LMS today. Visit EasyLlama.com/demo to learn more.